Hello, good morning. I am Seema Garg, Associate Professor in Chemistry, SPC Government College, Ajmer. Today, video 91, lecture 29. It is for BSc Part 1, Organic Chemistry 2, Unit 2. Today, we will discuss about cycloalkanes chemical reactivity. Cycloalkanes having rings of 3 and 4 carbon atoms are unstable and tend to form open chain aliphatic compounds by addition of the reagents. However, cycloalkanes from cyclopentanes onwards show high degree of stability and remain unaffected by acids, alkalis, and common oxidizing agents under usual condition. So here uh, we are going to discuss about the unstability of the lower cycloalkanes, whereas higher cycloalkanes are stable compared to lower cycloalkanes. In lower cycloalkane, for example, cyclopropane, we can do electrophilic addition reaction. See here, it can add cyclopropane, can add hydrogen in presence of nickel, 80 degree centigrade temperature, normal propane. Addition of HBr, it will give 1 bromopropane. Addition of bromine in presence of FeBr3, it will give 1,3-dibromopropane. Concentrate in presence of concentrate sulfuric acid, water addition, it will give 1 propanol. And with acid, it will give esters. But when we substituted cyclopropane, 1-methyl cyclopropane, addition of HBr will occur through, means it will be according to Markovnikov rule, and here we know the Markovnikov rule. So H is a substitute to the higher number of carbon, higher number of proton carbon, and bromine will attach to the lower number of proton carbon. So we will get 2-bromobutane. Important thing is that cyclopropane is not hydrolyzed like propene. Means we cannot be oxidized with KMnO4, or we cannot be able to add ozone. In cyclobutane, addition of hydrogen in presence of nickel, 120 degree centigrade, it will give normal butane. Free radical substitution, higher cycloalkanes react with chlorine or bromine in diffuse sunlight to give substitution products. See here, it will give substituted products. Bayer's strain theory. The German chemist Bayer in 1885 was the first to suggest that the instability of small cycloalkanes rings. This is due to the angle strain, and the theory is known as Bayer's strain theory. Bayer assumed that rings are planar, so angle strain in various cycloalkanes can be expressed in terms of angle of deviation, distortion, that is D, deviation from 109 degree 28 for one bond. So as we know that carbon is tetrahedral and it having bond angle is 109. So in case of cyclopropane, where we can calculate the bond angle because it contains 3 carbon. So bond angle will come in cyclopropane. See here, it is 60 degree. We can calculate also here. Here I had calculated. So angle strain is directly proportional to angle of deviation, and stability is inversely proportional to angle of deviation. So here, in case of cyclopropane, bond angle is 60 degree and the angle of deviation is 24 degree, 0.44 ounce. So the angle of deviation is more in case of cyclopropane, whereas angle of deviation in case of cyclobutane is 9 degree, 0.44. In case of cyclopentane, 0.44 only. In cyclohexane, it is again increasing 5 degree, and cycloheptane onward cyclohexane, cyclooctane having more. So according to Bayer, cyclopentane is more stable compared to cyclohexane, but according to heat of combustion, it is found that strain is inversely proportional to delta H value. So total strain of the molecule we can calculate total number of carbon multiply with this. This is the formula. So it is found, it is calculated. So total strain of the molecule in case of normal alkane it is 0. Cyclopropane it having higher, so it is more unstable. Cyclobutane 112, cyclopentane 35, whereas cyclohexane is 12. So according to this concept, cyclohexane is more stable compared to cyclopentane. So here Bayer's theory is failed to explain the stability of cyclohexane. Because he predicted that cyclopentane is more stable due to the less angle of deviation. But according to heat of combustion, it is found that cyclohexane is more stable than cyclopentane. Bayer's theory has limitations. Bayer's theory was to assume that all cyclic compounds are planar, but it is not correct. Only cyclopropane is planar and other cycloalkanes are not planar due to the angle strain. He has failed to explain certain facts, stability of cyclohexane in more than cyclopentane. Structure of cyclopropane. This actually when p orbitals are overlapped to each other, when it is head-to-head overlapping, then it is a strong bond. Whereas this bond in partial overlap, when it is partially bent. So p orbital when it is overlapped partially, so it will create a banana bond and it is a weak bond. So in case of, suppose we are taking example of cyclopropane, so it having banana bonds, and bond length is also affected due to the distortion of angle, and its bond length is 1.51, whereas carbon-carbon bond length is usually 1.54 angstrom. So it is a little bit decrease, and here it is also affected in the bond length of carbon hydrogen. It is found 1.08 angstrom. So this is all about the chemical reactivity and Bayer's strain theory of cycloalkanes.